Hey guys, we found this amazing find, this beautiful antique fireplace with these vintage tiles. Come and have a look and see. What we've done, we've uncovered this half which was here. We didn't expect to find these things. Obviously, normally when you lift it up, all these tiles are completely broken. So see how we've uncovered it. I'll catch you at the end of the video. See you later, guys. Come and have a look at this. So here, look at that. You can see in there, beautiful detail. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift this up now and we're gonna try and see what's underneath. So what I've been doing is gently, now this is an old saw.
That was my best saw, that was.
Oh, that was your best saw? Does that mean I owe you a saw now?
Yeah, you've only had that 6 months.
Yeah, that's it.
I've only been cutting breeze box with it.
So I'm trying to score this out. Right, that's moving, isn't it, all right?
Yeah.
So
give it a wiggle, Tony.
Just wiggle it with my fingers. Gently, gently, catchy monkey.
Catchy monkey.
Oh, that's it, catchy monkey. Keep wiggling, Matt. Come on, she's coming. Patience. Oh, look at that.
It's out.
That tile is in absolutely mint condition. And these bits here, look, you see how easy they peeled off before? So we'll be able to pull those off there. Well, that'll clean off there. Look, there you go, look at that. So, I'll leave it to you now, guys. Now I found that, I'm going now.
Oh, thanks.
I'll let you take the rest out.
They run right through as well. You can see them in that corner over there.
Yeah, that's what it is. So you're trying to get this one out here, man.
It's whether or not they've damaged some here.
Okay, mate. Try and wiggle that one out if we can. Look at that. Beautiful. Just nicely. Hold on. No. Yeah. Just gonna have to tease those off. Look at that, beautiful. So I reckon if we lifted this, that would then be underneath all that, wouldn't it? Look at that. That's gorgeous, isn't it?
Tell you what would look nice if you took this up and used that, have a fender around it as well.
Yeah. Okay, but for the big unveil. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully what adhesive comes up nicely.
Now, do you know what I think? Is that going to be the same underneath that fireplace over
Probably
there?
is, guaranteed.
That's all, I won't go there.
No.
I won't go there.
It might be, but we're never going to find out.
Yeah,
We can make that work.
This would have had a fender around it.
this will clean off beautifully on this roll.
I can get this cut to close your fireplace.
Yeah, that's what we can do. Utilise this on each wing there, each wing to reveal. And then leave that in if you want to, and then obviously put a return on there. But that's beautiful, isn't it? A lot of the time when you take these up, they're all smashed. Well, we know that, don't we? There was one upstairs. I think it's original style that I think used to make these small tiles, isn't it? Original style.
I sent Jules a link where they make these fire surround tiles for any that she wants to.
Beautiful. But that's awesome find. That's just like.
But what was you originally looking at?
We were just discussing the fireplace. I was suddenly seeing that beautiful little tile detail underneath.
You didn't come in to look at the shutters.
Literally, I was okay to say look at the shutters. But literally here, look, I could see this through this little gap because Mark had obviously cleaned all the grout out. And I said, oh, there's something underneath there. And this is a great example when you're uncovering stuff and all of a sudden you find something amazing like that. That's just beautiful, isn't it? It's uncovering it. Oh, look at that. Rick's got the magic touch.
We can make that work.
Definitely, mate. Well, that's in colour schemes and everything.
Just
So one of the things we're going to do, we're going to restore these beautiful antique tiles. As we clean them all back and then polish them all up, we can then make sure there's no further cracks, any repairs that need to be done. We'll then obviously get the client to source a beautiful surround fender to go all the way around the fireplace. So then it then looks absolutely amazing as it did in the Regency period. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe. My name's Tony, you've been watching Build with Amy.